welcome. This is Patrick for Hot Coding, and tonight I was curious about WebcamStudio. I wanted to see how far it went since I stopped that project. I mean, working on that project, and Carl Ellis took over. And so what I did install the latest version available from the repository on the PPA, and the current version is I don't know. Let me check. Should be, where do I see that? I think it's here about. Uh, it's 0.64, and that's build 516. So what I did, I just installed, no tweaks available. That laptop is not really fast, so I had to make sure that everything would run smooth while capturing the desktop at the same time. So I just pick a lower resolution, a lower frame rate, just to make sure that it would be smooth. And currently here, this is the actual output of WebcamStudio itself. So just for fun, I used my laptop's webcam, and I added some blinking text saying test because I'm currently testing. And I'm capturing the desktop using avconv with a small script that I built that should provide a nice enough quality image. So overall, from the last time I've seen WebcamStudio, a lot have changed. Sorry, and we have a much nicer layout than the last time I saw it. You have your buttons here to load or save a studio file, and the main panel on the left now lets you handle channels, and there are a few more options, and there are even options in there. I just don't know what they're meant to be, but let's discover that. So currently I have two sources, my webcam and that text that is blinking. Actually, I'm going to stop it. It's a bit annoying. Let's go here and stop that. It was fun though. I really like the new options. Basically, when you load WebcamStudio, if you go in controls, should show up. Or maybe on text it doesn't work. Let's go back and add a new source. Oh, my favorite one, docs. And if you go in controls, there we go. I can show more options. There we go. So I can have everything related to the capture of the device or whatever we're using. Currently, it doesn't really apply because it's an animation. And there's another option I really like also, is show controls as sliders. So you can input your values manually here, but you can also play with those values using sliders, and often it may be easier to work with. So let's start my little duckies. And of course, since the docs and the webcam are on the same layer, only the most recent one is being shown. So I'm going to move up the docs to a higher layer, and there we go. Put that to the bottom, and we have a nice animation. As you can see, things are slowing down, but as I'm reminding you, I'm currently capturing the desktop using not FFmpeg but avconv. So the issues here is that this is a laptop and it's not really fast, but it's still working. I'm currently outputting everything to the virtual device, which I'm showing here in that window. And what do we have? Basically, we have desktop capture. Oh no, that's DVB stream. Oh, that's new. Cannot try it though. I don't have such device. Add URL by stream. A stream by URL. The desktop. Let's try something. I don't know. It's there we go. I can capture the desktop at the same time. Move that to a higher layer just behind the docks, and it's now behind the webcam, so we cannot see it. But if I go to the webcam and move that webcam, or maybe resize it to something smaller, there we go. Oh, let's go with the sliders instead. There we go. So let's resize that. There we go. So we have the webcam being displayed above my desktop in my virtual output. I think I may be asking a little bit much because I'm already capturing the desktop. So I'm going to stop that just to avoid my laptop to overheat. And let's put something else behind. Text, QR code, microphone, sound monitor. Let's try that. I don't know how it works. Okay, so let's put that a layer above, and I should see something. Probably, if I remember well, it should show kind of some effects with sound. Maybe it's broken, I don't know. We'll have to report that to Carl, or it's just not working, I don't know. That's pretty tricky, so let's avoid that for now. And let's kill that source. What do we have here? Device info. So currently the real webcam and the virtual webcam. No, that's the virtual webcam and that's the real webcam. And what do we have here? The webcams. Refresh video device. Video devices info. Master audio sample rate. Okay, I'm not currently recording sound with WebcamStudio. I'm doing it using my little script that is running in the background currently. There's a new animation. I've seen that. Oh, Earth? Never tried that. Let's try that. Let's move it above. Let's play. Oh, kind of nice. Hey. Okay, and then we have radioactive, which is there we go. I think I'm currently using FFmpeg to output the display, and you can see here it's really faster. So we'll try something. We'll stop that, and we'll go use something else. Maybe VLC would be a much better choice. Let's go here and media, open device, pick the virtual one and play. Oh, there we go. So it was not lagging at all. The issue was the small FF play I was using that is has always been a little bit slow. I'm gonna cut the sound though. I don't want to hear background noises. And okay, so it's currently above. So let's move that like that and behind the webcam. So we have nice animations. We should have for the webcam a few options for special effects. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna move that a little here, and let's try the blink. Webcam should blink. Yeah, it does. So that's a nice one. Let's go into block and the should be a little bit more blocky. There we go. So I want to stay anonymous this way. Oh, great. Let's try a last one. Marble? Let's try that. Marble. How does it work? It's kind of weird looking, but it does look nice. Oh, you need to select it to remove it first. Megamind. Ah, yeah, I did that as a special effect. Let's see. It does still work. It's a bit slow though, but it does work. And with webcams, we should be able to load videos. Okay, let's try that. How do I do it? Here, add a new studio. No, that's not the one. Load media. There we go. What do we have? Start GIF. Let's go in my own documents. Images, and let's pick something in there. Oh, a little bit of corruption. Okay, let's pick. I don't know what those images are. So let's pick that one. Probably my kids. Let's click play. Yeah. We currently have a picture of one of my son dressed as pirate. That was for Halloween. So if I move that back, there we go. It does work. So images, let's try with another media. Let's move up and go into videos. As you can see, I have a few of them. I'm currently, oh, there we go. We have some corruption, probably due to my video card. So do I have something that I can show? Let's say no. Don't want to get in any trouble. What I'm currently doing is I'm ripping off all the DVDs I have to put that in a central server, and it's quite tedious job to do, but over time I'm doing it slowly. Okay, let's pick something that won't get me into trouble. Oh, I remember. I think I have the Ubuntu one. No, that there. That was the example. Is it still there? Should be there somewhere. I'm probably pretty sure I have something that I can show. Maybe here. No, that's the movie I'm currently capturing. Japal server, that's one of my other projects. Here. Okay, let's go for a small shot of, let's pick, there we go. I have a few movies here that I own. Let's pick that one. I think it's a baseball video. Yeah, there we go. If I move that behind, then I can comment the famous baseball game that my kids did. And you can see the audio at the same time showing up on the video itself. That looks nice. We have transitions working with channels. I don't want to go in there right now because I don't trust my laptop, so I want to make sure. Channel options. I don't know what it does, but probably it's about transitions and effects. And what do we have more? We can, as you saw earlier, I was able to capture the desktop even though I was already capturing it. So I was pretty amazed to see that I could capture full screen video and still work with it. The output we have more options. The SkyCam Beta, I think it's for Skype compatibility, so you can use WebcamStudio with Skype. I don't know if it works. I don't have Skype installed. You can record your movie. Tried it, does work. In my case, recording into an AVI is working much better, and you can broadcast over the network with a UDP protocol. I never tried it actually, and you can also export to a virtual device, and I think there are means to export to Ustream and maybe have more options. Oh, there's a button there. Oh, that's the iconize all sources. You can have your microphone in there. You can show, let's try that, the QR code. That's WebcamStudio. And let's click play. And probably if you scan it right now, it should show you the text WebcamStudio. I'm gonna try it later on when that video will be uploaded to YouTube, hoping that that low resolution display I have is not affecting any, the quality of the QR code itself. So it's overall a pretty good job. WebcamStudio now is available. I'm gonna put that. There we go. How can I put that? I need to do this manually. WebcamStudio is now available using the PPA repository. What is the name again of that PPA? I just don't remember. If you look for it, let me check. We'll open Google Chrome, and what I'll do is minimize everything until the the Chrome browser does load. And let's look, WebcamStudio PPA. So if you want to have WebcamStudio on your Ubuntu computer, you have to go to Launchpad and look for WebcamStudio PPA daily builds. Add that to your repositories and simply install it by issuing the command sudo apt-get install WebcamStudio, and everything should work as expected. And we can see that the last build was done 2 days ago, so it's kind of really recent. I had an update earlier about WebcamStudio. And in the team, okay, let's see if we can see who's currently working on that. We know we have Carl, and I don't know, we have the WebcamStudio team, and who are they? This is the team for developing WebcamStudio application. The team is very small at the moment, but will grow fast. So, oh, I'm in the team. Yeah, I'm a project admin. I didn't know. Oh yeah, I think I had a few emails, but my mind was on a lot of things. So got a new job and got new projects also. So I'm in there. Patrick Balleur, that's me. We have Carl Ellis, current lead developer of WebcamStudio project. Great job, Carl. Great job. And we have Phobos K. Okay. Hi, Phobos K. Great job again. Support developer, package, and release manager. Oh, so probably he's the one who made that PPA thing happen. We have Navin Ravindran, support developer, Windows tester. Oh, Windows tester. So is WebcamStudio will eventually run on Windows? I don't know. I tried it though. We have Rohit Mandala. I hope I said that right. Support developer, tester, and API and plugin developer. Oh, that one will be hard. Baradwaj Desikan. Support developer, tester, and API and plugin developer. We have Srijit Purushottaman. Support developer, tester, API, and plugin developer. UI accessibility. Ami Shao. Support developer, tester package, and build tool support. That's a small team? No, that's a good team. I was alone for 5 years almost just working the code, and I had a few person helping me out with ideas and testing, but that's a real team. Yeah. Hey Matt, a long time no see, and there was also Chris. I've it's been a while since we had a chat together. And oh, there's another one. Josh Sedler, UI and media designer tester. And there's a great team around WebcamStudio, so the project is really alive, as I can see, and I'm really, really glad to see that, because in January this year, when I took the decision to stop working on WebcamStudio, it was because I've been working on WebcamStudio like for 5 years. I wanted to move to something else, and it was getting harder and harder. And then came Carl, who offered to take over, and I said, yes, be my guest. I was a bit sad to think that maybe the project would die if I stopped working on it, but it didn't. That's the beauty of open source projects, and it's still alive. There are many updates. I follow that each week, what happens with WebcamStudio, and I'm really happy to see that WebcamStudio is well and alive. So, next big move, I don't know, maybe go in the official repository of Ubuntu. That would be great to see that happen. And maybe just for fun, I've seen a few glitches here and there. Maybe I'll take some time just to fix them and send the patches to Carl, and just so everything will work as expected. So that was my tour of WebcamStudio. What was the version again? Let me see. I want to say that correctly. About. Oh, still the old description I've put in there. 2009. That's when I copyrighted WebcamStudio. So that was WebcamStudio 0.64 build 516. Currently available if you have added the PPA repository of WebcamStudio development team. Let me say that right. WebcamStudio team. Team. That's twice. And the official, since we are there, the official web page is actually here. Let me see. That's the overview, team details. Do we have something somewhere? I think the official related projects. That was the other, the one I tried to put in a long time ago. But the official website is, I think it's, I'm having issue with my laptop, sorry. Let's go WebcamStudio and see. Yeah, there we go. I think the official web page is code.google.com/p/webcamstudio. If we click here, I think they're maintaining that web page for all the details and the bugs and stuff like that. If you are still using ws4gl.org, which was GL. Oh, did a typo there. There we go. If you go to ws4gl.org, which is my domain, I still got a few links to the original Webcam Studio, but mainly the website has been rebranded for my own stuff and my projects like crumbs.com and followme.crumbs.com and stuff like that. So I'm still working on new projects and actually learning, taking time to learn about some technology that I didn't know much about, mainly HTML5 and jQuery and stuff like that. I'm not really working much on Java projects right now, and everything is related to web and HTML5. If you want to see my stuff, just visit ws4gl.org. All the links are there, and you can follow me also on Twitter at my name, Patrick Balleux, with no dots and stuff like that. And you can also find me on G+, Facebook, and probably somewhere in the world. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little tour of Webcam Studio. It was a joy for me to discover how well is working Webcam Studio, even on that laptop that is a little bit slow for that kind of recording. But anyway, it seems that it worked. So after the recording, I'm going to see if everything worked as expected. So thank you for watching. And Carl, good job. I'm really happy to see how the project has evolved, and Webcam Studio is really well and alive. Bye. Yeah, I know. I need to stop that video. Yeah, I need to stop the script and find the script every time because it's in the background and I need to click, and even though I say bye, it doesn't work. I need to go back and so on. I need to click there and stop it. And I'm going to do it, but just before the end, just want to say I got my little ducks back in one of my recording, and I'm quite happy about that. I just love those ducks. Yeah. Okay, that's it. See you soon. Bye.